guys, thought I'd take a break from working out in the yard and read you another story. This is a new one, Bruce's Big Storm by Ryan T. Higgins. Bruce was a bear who did not like neighbors. Neighbors were loud.
Hi, Bruce, want to ride?
Vroom, vroom. They were always interrupting.
Brownie, want to play fry pan ball?
Worse still, neighbors lived all over Bruce's neighborhood.
Hey, neighbor, do you have any robotic laser cutters I could borrow?
Bruce's neighbors were always coming and going, but at least none of them stayed very long, until the day of the big storm. Soggy Hollow's weather today will have rain that is very wet and wind that is very windy. We've got the wind today, don't we, guys?
Sorry to be a bother, but can we please stay here during the storm?
Bruce did not want visitors. He wanted to wait out the storm in peace and quiet.
Big storms are less scary when you're together. Let's invite everyone to play games in our pajamas. I love pajama parties, and we don't even have pajamas.
As the rain started to fall and the winds got windier, more and more animals began to arrive. Finally, the whole neighborhood was there. "Wait," said Rupert. "Someone is still outside." Everyone went to the window to look. Well, almost everyone. There was a little bunny out in the storm.
Someone has to save her,
Shouted Thistle.
I'm on my way, said Nibs,
as he ran out the door. But the big storm was too much for the mouse. And in his hurry, Nibs got a little carried away.
Oh, look, I can see my house from here.
Nibs' rescue mission was not going as planned.
I'm here to rescue you, but I need help down first. It's okay. This is all part of my...
Whoosh! They were blown away. They needed a little more help. Bruce, you come to save us? You took my favorite umbrella. Maybe we need a new plan. Everyone had to pitch in, and together they pulled the bunny, the mouse, and the grumpy old bear back to safety, along with the umbrella. It had been quite an adventure.
Everyone take one of Bruce's clean towels.
Bruce did not like adventures. While the storm raged on outside, Bruce's visitors, cozy and warm, played games to pass the time.
Duck, duck, Bruce, you're it.
Bruce did not like games. Then a large guest arrived, a great big oak tree, and it didn't knock. Crash!
Battle stations! Bring me a chainsaw.
I'm allergic to acorns.
Squeak!
They were all okay, but the house was not.
I think the roof might have a leak in it.
Still, everyone found a safe, dry corner to spend the night. Come morning, Bruce's house did not look so great. Soon, Bruce's neighbors went back to their own homes. leaving Bruce behind to grumble in the rumble. But not for long. Tap, 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 tap. Now what? All of Soggy Hollow, every neighbor came back and lent a hand, hoof, paw, or wing to help Bruce rebuild. Over time, Bruce's house was put back together, even better than before.
We call this addition the Rumpus Room. It's for rumpusing.
It became a popular place in Soggy Hollow for all the neighbors to gather and have fun.
I have 5 old maids. You can't have 5 old maids in poker. I thought we were playing Go Fish. Hey, who's been eating the poker chips? I thought they were crackers.
Bruce did not like fun, and he still did not like neighbors. But they sure liked him.
You've been elected our den mother.
Well, did you enjoy that, guys? Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed it. Remember to take your accelerated reader or your reading counts tests and get your points. And remember your social distancing. Wash your hands often, and don't touch your face. I tell you, I've enjoyed this little break from working in my yard, and I hope you've enjoyed this story. More to come soon. See you guys.